Today we're going to bring a solar light, and if you guys can see, this is everything you get in here. You get a remote control, a couple features you should be aware of with the control. It's an auto, 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, and then you could change the lighting settings. All right, you can make darker or you brighter, and then off and on button, of course. And this could work on a timer. If you put auto, it's night to day mode, waterproof, great for outdoors, and this is going to retain a lot of solar panel. It's a large solar panel. It's going to retain a lot of sun, so it's going to last you pretty much all night, if you, depending on your sun, on your area. All right, so we're going to set this up on one of our poles and see how bright it is. All right, so here we have the light. It's charging. It's not 100% yet, but you could set this up on concrete. I set it up in wood right now. Just make sure that you are aware that you need plenty of sunshine. So if you're gonna have it, make sure it's on the most of the area where it collects more of the sun. All right, so if you want it to last long, just make sure you're aware of that. Right now I have an auto, so it's set to automatically turn on, and then we're gonna crank it up tonight and we're gonna try some features, see how it works. If you guys notice, I put in a piece of wood. It's gonna go in a 12-foot pole, and this is a pole. I'm gonna set it up. So it's a 12-foot pole that we're going to set up and mount it up. Let's take a look at the actual light itself. It's about 12 feet high right now, and it is actually illuminating all my yard. All right, so it is very bright. When you turn it off, look how completely dark it gets, and this is how dark it gets. You can't even see my dog, but if you guys can see, he's right there. But it is illuminating the whole entire backyard here. So I am going to turn it off. I don't want my neighbors to complain or have any issues with it, but I like that you could turn it off. Easy. And then the control's easy, very simple to use. The control, let me show you the controls. So the control has on, off, and then your different brightness, a plus and minus, and then auto in 3 hours, 6, 8 hours, and 5 hours. All right, so I always set it up in auto, and when you do auto, it flashes. That means it's set up already. So I'm gonna leave it until it runs out and see how long it takes. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.